In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a table on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a slide, and then you want to select the Insert tab at the top, select Table, and then go about inserting the table by dragging over how big of a table you want. If it doesn't really fit your needs based on the selection here, you can select where it says insert table, and then you can actually manually type in how many columns and rows you want. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.